Hello, for Uber?
Yeah, hi.
Hi, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Wait, can you say my name?
What?
Can you say my name?
No, you need to tell me what your name is.
No, you need to tell me what my name is off the Uber app.
Well, you're supposed to confirm with me your name. So,
No, can you say my name, please?
No, that's not how it works. Like, you can check.
Yeah, that is how it works. Say my name off of the Uber app.
No, like, you can. That's.
No, what?
You
say
need
my
to tell
name
me what
so
you-
I know that you're my driver.
Are you okay? What's wrong?
You're about to kidnap me. That's what's wrong.
No, you didn't even check the license plate to make sure it's the right car?
No, you need to say my name so I know that you are my Uber driver.
Oh my gosh. Are we really doing this today?
Yeah, what is it?
You need to tell me what your name is.
Can you just go? Do you know where we're going at least?
You need to confirm. This is how it works. You confirm with me your destination. So,
Angelina, can we go? Is that the name on the Uber app?
yeah, it is. But, like, can you please tone your voice
So do you
down?
know where we're going?
Yes, I do.
Okay, well, let's get going then.
Okay, please put on your seatbelt.
No.
Okay, can you at least rate me 5 stars on this
You're
ride?
getting 1 star. Be grateful for that.
I'm kicking you out. We're not doing this. You can walk or order another rider or other driver. Can you please get out? Hello?
Yeah, I'm listening to what you're saying.
Get out of my car.
1 second.
For what? What did you just cancel the ride?
Bye.
Oh my gosh.